In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Taylor Swift in Infinite Craft. So the first thing you want is to combine wind with fire to get smoke, and then smoke with water to get fog. Now you want to put fog aside, and then combine earth with wind to get dust, and then dust with earth, which will give you a planet. Now you want to combine fog with a planet to get Venus, and then Venus with fog to get love. Now let's put that to the side, and now we're going to continue. You want to put in water plus fire to get steam, and then steam plus Venus, which will give you life. Now you want life plus smoke, which will give you a vampire, and then vampire plus life. So let me find life, there we go. You get death, and then death plus love makes a heartbreak. Now put that to the side again, and now we're going to make America. You want to do that by putting water together with another water, which gives you a lake, and then lake plus lake gives you an ocean. Now ocean plus earth gives you an island, and then island plus earth will give you a continent. And now continent plus death will give you America. Let's put that to the side again. And now it's time to make a village. So you want to combine steam with earth, which gives you mud, and then Venus plus mud will give you Adam. Now Adam plus earth will give you a man, and then a man plus a man will give you a village. Then put that to the side as well. Now we need to make queen, which you get by combining mud with mud to get clay, and then clay plus clay to get a brick, and then brick plus brick to get wall, and then wall plus village to get a castle, and then castle plus man to get a king, and then castle plus king to get a queen. There we go. And now the way you make Taylor Swift is as follows. You have to combine queen with America to get an American queen, and then American queen with another American queen to get an American king, and then American queen with American king, which will give you an American prince, and now American prince combined together with love, there we go, will give you American princess, and now American princess plus a heartbreak will give you Taylor Swift.